Aditi. Hello. Welcome to India TV Forum once again.
Yeah, hi everyone again.
Thank you for doing this for us. And I hope you remember I'm calling from London and you have talked to us before on two occasions.
Yeah, I remember. And I hope everyone else also remembers it.
Of course they do. And Aditi, what can I say but that your fan following, of course, continues unabated and they all love you so much and are all so eager to know what you have been up to, what you were doing. I heard that you were away on a holiday.
Yeah, I was away for a holiday, like I was not in town for a month. I was actually chilling after Sangini.
Uh-huh.
And right now, I think this month has been really bad for me because my Nanaji expired and I was really not keeping well for like almost a month only. So this month was really difficult for me. This month and the last month. So probably I'm trying to just cope up with it and I'm waiting for the good things to happen.
Uh-huh.
A little good things to happen and so that I can make you all happy.
Oh, I'm just so sorry to hear about your grandfather and may his soul rest in peace. I hope he didn't suffer too much. And
but I was lucky to just meet him the last time when I met him.
Oh, that was nice then. I think at least you're feeling a little satisfied then. And so, of course, Aditi, I think you have loads and loads and loads of fans. And if I start mentioning one name, I don't know, I hope I don't get into trouble, but I'll just take a few names quickly. Marie, Vaish, Uswa, Tasneem, Divya and Shallu all want to give you a big hello and say that they love you so much.
I want to give them a big hug, actually a group hug. Let's do the group hug. Actually, I know like a lot of names also from them. Like I remember chatting with them when I was there on FP.
Okay, right. So how do you?
I remember.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, Aditi. I mean, somebody. And tell me, Aditi, like you're still so young, but now you're almost a seasoned veteran actress of Indian television. How do you feel?
I feel really great that people have really have accepted me, and they've accepted me in all the ways. Because I did Heer, they loved me. Yeah. I did Pihu, they still loved me. They didn't back out. Lots of people backed out, but then there were so many people who just loved me for what I'm doing. They love me, not the character.
Yeah.
They started falling in love with the character, but then they started loving me. So that's a good thing. It's a good sign actually, and it just tells me that maybe I'm just telling myself that whatever I'm doing, I think I'm doing right. I don't have to go back to fashion designing and screw myself there. I'm happy here and I want to do it more.
Oh, of course, yes, Aditi. I think that's what actually endears you to people because you have done, in such a short span, you've really done a variety. You've gone on to do something as lovable as Heer, as you said, and somebody as, spiteful as Pihu, but, and yet you carried everything, and I think that is what I appreciate your fans.
But actually, I'll tell you honestly, Pihu was really something different. I thank God for giving me Pihu also because, he was very simple. People loved me for what it was, and I started learning acting. But then Pihu literally was something out of the way, and it was not an easy character to do. But I had loads of fun doing, and it was a great time in Sangini as well.
Oh, so sweet. And I think so. That's what once you start enjoying it, I think that's what comes across, and that shows that when you fit into the skin of the character.
Once people start appreciating, so what you do is the best thing ever.
That is true.
I don't care about the success, but when people appreciate what you do is the thing which I am looking forward for. That's all.
So we only continue and hope and pray, Aditi, that you always do everything that you wish for and your fans are going to stand by you through thick and thin, whatever you do.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Have you been seeing any films of late?
Oh yes, I've been just watching movies these days because all my gang, all the friends of mine, they're not working these days, so we all are going out and really chilling back to back. We're watching 2 to 3 movies because we don't have anything to do.
Good.
So we're just enjoying ourselves. Really.
So which one do you like the best of all that you've been seeing?
They were all very good. I was forced to watch Harry Potter because I didn't really saw the sixth part and the seventh first part.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like all confused, like what is happening, and but all my friends wanted to see. So for their happiness, I was like, okay, I'm gonna come along with you and watch the movie. But it was fun. It was like I have seen Killer Parties and like back to back all the movies. I didn't leave any movies.
Okay, so
I had nothing to do, so I was like, okay, let's do something.
Right, and have you been partying non-stop too?
No, not at all. Not at all. This month, no, because I was not well and everything happened, so I was not at all in the mood.
Okay. So, did you read Harry Potter?
Lately, only like. Sorry?
Did you read the Harry Potter books?
No, I've never seen the Harry Potter books.
Okay.
I've never read the Harry Potter books. I used to feel that why people read Harry Potter books because I couldn't understand. When I was in school, in the school bus, people used to just read Harry Potter book like crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, what is wrong with you? What is there in that book? Okay. But when I saw the movie, when it came, it was amazing. Like, I got addicted to it. But I think the sixth part I really need to see to connect from the seventh part. Seventh part was a little bouncer to me because I was wondering what is happening in the entire movie because I didn't see the sixth part.
Right.
But then it was nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this seventh part also sort of came in two parts, isn't it? This one and the first part.
So I didn't see the first part. I directly saw the second part. How cool of me.
No, I'm sure you're going to catch up and then everything will make sense.
Yeah, but I was forced to see the movies. I was like, okay, how does it matter? But I still understood a lot of parts, and there was one chunk where I was like, what is happening in the movie? Can somebody please just make me understand who is he? Who is that person? That I was wondering.
So were you bugging all your friends who were sitting next to you saying, oh, now tell me what is this? And they said, oh, shh to you all the time?
Actually, there was only one friend of mine who actually wanted to see the movie, and the two of us were like going crazy about it. Me, actually, Mukti knew the entire story, and me and Kritika, we were like, okay, what is happening in the movie? Hello. We were just enjoying the popcorn and the Coke, that's all. That's all we were there.
Okay. Lovely. So good that you're letting your hair down, and at the same time, I hope you're okay now, you're fine, and back to normal.
Yeah, I'm really good, and I'm gaining weight, so I have to reduce weight. That's all my aim in life is, like, few days.
Okay. So all the fans, of course, Aditi, are like waiting for you to come back in some show, and I hope you're going to give us all the good news very soon. And let us know once something.
Definitely, I will be coming back as a lead. That is what I can assure you right now.
Oh, that is so sweet. That is so sweet. We're all looking forward to seeing you in a new role. And anything else you would like to convey?
But I just want to promise these guys that it's going to be a very different character, and it's going to be maybe a little weird. But then it's going to be fun.
Oh, I'm sure it is going to be.
I'm bored of doing the same characters again and again, so I just want to have fun in life, and probably this is the way I am, like, in my profession. If I find happiness, that is all I can do. I'm looking forward to something which is new again. So people might, bash me for that, but then I am sorry for that.
No, I'm sure at the end of the day, it is the creative satisfaction in you that has to be fulfilled. And
most probably they'll be looking they'll be seeing me in the curly hair look.
Oh, okay, lovely.
Yeah, so I can just give you these small things here, but which is still not confirmed, so I cannot really tell you anything.
Okay, sure. We won't keep harping on that anymore, Aditi. But thank you so much for sharing all this with us, and it's such a pleasure talking to you. And what Ghana should I dedicate to you?
I think any song is amazing to me.
My current flavor of the season has been from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So, Senorita, out for Aditi.
Oh my gosh, yes, definitely.
Okay. So, thank you so very much for doing this for India TV Forum once again, Aditi. Love you on behalf of all your fans.
Thank you so much.
And you please hold the line 1 sec.
Yeah.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या. दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या. दो पल को तो आओ हो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या. जो भी पल बीता हे सेन्योरिटा, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी